Okay, we're over here again. The coffee shop girl. Up here on Colfax. I'm just gonna get a little clip over here when the traffic stops. Yep, I'm standing in the middle of the street. Okay, here we go. Oh man, they got her all looking like a... Okay. Coffee shop girl here. Jeez Louise. Can't really see nobody in there. Okay. Coffee shop girl 15. Yeah, Denver, Colorado, Colfax Avenue. Yeah. I put the security system in that building over there. The Elm Street video surveillance system, I did that. Okay, there's the back side of her, looking at traffic. Alright.